Passion, dedication, vision for decades. Every detail tells a story that began 100 years ago. 1925 in Carbon, a spark ignites. Heinrich Neurath founds the company. 5 years later, his son-in-law Heinrich König joins, and together they lay the foundation for a company that will shape the working worlds. Half a century later, his son Egon König takes over. With visionary foresight, tireless commitment, and a deep understanding of sustainability, he transforms König and Neurath into a leading provider of office furniture and workspace solutions. His innovative strength, sense for market trends, and sustainable actions set new standards in the industry. Today, a century later, this fire carries our vision forward. Our production site in Carbon spans over 120,000 square meters, a place where cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship go hand in hand. From wood and metal processing to sewing and final assembly, all under one roof, perfectly coordinated. Sustainability is our compass. We generate our own electricity. Our production processes are focused on conserving resources and energy efficiency. We rely on circular economy principles and source over 80% of our materials from suppliers in Germany. That's why we can proudly say, not just made in Germany, but also made in Carbon. We create high-quality office furniture, timeless companions for our clients. We are driving forces for modern working environments and stand for unity. We are people who have shaped office furniture for generations and will continue to do so for the next 100 years. We are König and Neurath. We are 100 years old. We shape the working worlds of tomorrow and beyond.